Right, hello, we've got this to review today. Another item sent to me from Amazon. Their Amazon Basic range. There we go. This is the Amazon Basic 41 piece magnetic ratchet screwdriver set. I couldn't find any images on Amazon yet. I don't think they're quite selling it in the UK yet. But we'll open it. We'll have a look at it. I might need a key or something. I am in the car today. It's busy. Look, I've had to pick up some items. And look. It's just out and about. It's that stupid period, isn't it, between Christmas and New Year. I'm going to open this up. I do like getting Amazon Basic stuff in to test because it's the basic range, isn't it? It's Amazon's basic line. I need to get this open. Here we go. So like I said, before I left the house, I did look for an image. I couldn't find an image of this on Amazon's website, but it may be up there now. I don't know. So here we go. It's just a cheap item. It's just a cheap like a screwdriver set, but the box ain't too bad. Look, it does say Amazon Basic there. Everything from Amazon Basic they do like to name. They do like to put their name on it, but I'm fine with that. And there you can see that's 41 pieces. It's got all sorts in here. It don't look too bad, to be honest. Box has got a bit of a bit on it. This is the bit. This is the main bit. This is the bit you're going to be using most of the time. The actual screwdriver part. Let's put an item in here. You've got an extending tool. You've got all the standards. You've got some hex tools there. You've got some like Allen bolts. Not a bad. I do like this now. When you move one out, look, they all move. Look at that. So you can get your item out that you want. So let's just put the standard. Let's just put a screwdriver on it. Clips in. It does say it's magnetic, so that's your magnet there. It's got that, so you can turn it the other way. Or you can have it in the middle with none. That don't seem too bad. If this is priced well, so the thing is with this sort of, if they're going to put basics on it, if it's priced well, I think it's a decent item. I'm talking for this, without knowing the price, you're not looking at no more than 15 quid. You don't want to pay no more than 15 quid for this, because you could probably find better ones. But if it's under 15 quid, Amazon, if you're watching, you need to keep that price. I'm saying, if you get this out there for a tenner, it's well worth it. Well worth it for a tenner. This is the main part. Oh, it's got a little bit at the bottom. Look, you can even unscrew the bottom and you could store some bits in there. What I would like is this bit a little bit more. It feels robust, but this bit could be, if I'm looking for faults, this bit could be made a little bit better. It feels alright, but it just feels, it's got that little tinge of cheapness to it. But not bad. If it's under a tenner, if it's maybe maximum 15 quid, that's not too bad. I will use it. I will happily be using this. I do like that. That's the best bit. All closes up nicely. It's got a nice box. You can see everything you're getting. 41 pieces. Not bad. Not bad, Amazon. Like I say, if you price it right, that's not a bad little ratchet set. I'll see you on our next video.